A donation just came in. But did your email tool find out? Did your team get a message? Did your spreadsheet update or your CRM? Usually the answer is that someone finds out later. That gap is exactly what Automation Connect closes. Automation Connect is built right into Charitable Pro. It turns every donation, campaign event, and recurring payment into a real-time signal. You can send that signal to almost any app you already use with no code for the everyday cases. You find it under Charitable, then Automation. Each automation is called a subscription, and the idea is always the same. An event happens, you add optional conditions, you choose the data, and Charitable delivers it to your app. Let's build one so you can see the whole flow. You can start from a template or build from scratch. There are 8 one-click templates: Zapier, Make, N8N, Pabbly, HubSpot, Mailchimp, and Slack, or start from scratch. Pick one and Charitable fills in the setup for you. On the Basic tab, you name it, choose the event that triggers it, and paste the delivery URL from your app. There are 21 events to choose from across donations, campaigns, and recurring donations. Conditions let you send only when it matters. Rules in a group use, and while separate groups use or, so you can be as specific as you like. The Payload tab is your data. Pick from more than 80 fields and drag them into the order your app expects. Then save and open Test and Debug. One click sends a real request and shows you the response, so you know it works before a single donation depends on it. Here are 5 ways a nonprofit can put this to work. Send every new donation to a Google Sheet through Zapier. Your board report starts building itself, one row at a time. Add one condition, a donation total over $250, and post it to Slack. Your team celebrates the big moments the second they happen. Use the first-time donor event to add new supporters to a Mailchimp welcome list. Every first gift can start a real relationship automatically. When a recurring payment fails, send yourself a heads up. Now you can reach out personally before that monthly gift quietly lapses. And when a campaign reaches its goal, trigger a celebration. A Slack cheer, a social post, or a thank you to everyone who gave. A few things happen quietly in the background. Every request is signed so your app can verify it truly came from your site. Deliveries run in the background, so your donation page never waits. And if one ever fails, you'll see it in the health column and resend it in a single click. And it reaches thousands of apps through Zapier, Make, and anywhere a webhook can connect. That is Automation Connect. You set it up once and it runs every time. In the next videos, we'll build each of these live and go deeper on security and custom fields. If you're using Automation Connect and have a suggestion or some feedback, we'd love to hear it. You can reach our team anytime at wpcharitable.com. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.